Hey folks, I figured out what's going on with this this bolt on the front of this front suspension on this wheel horse. They had this bolt in there, and I'm trying to figure out why it was coming out. Well, it turns out that, and I actually thought maybe a nut was supposed to go on the other end of it. You know, they had this bolt in there like that, and it just goes, you know, it just went right through there. However, come to find out, it's a 1/2 inch 20 thread on that back hole. So I was able to get a 1/2 inch tap in there and clean those threads up. It don't take a nut, it's threaded. I should have thought of that to begin with, but they had the wrong size bolt in there. They had I think that's a 1/2 inch 16, I think, or something. So anyway, I just now threaded that hole, and I've got some bolts here. Somewhere. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know if I use this one or not, but yeah, see, that'll thread right in there. Of course, this is not the bolt I'm going to use. I had another one out here. I don't see it right now. But at any rate, you get the picture. So if anybody got that problem, what I started to do is tap this all out, make it 9/16. Then I got to looking at that hole in there, and on the tractor, and I figured, no, I don't need to do that. So anyway, where was I? Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Oh yeah, by the way, check this out. Check this die. This die was made in Japan, and I believe these are US made. But that's 1 inch. It fits real nicely in the holder here. I don't know where I got this, but look at this. It will not fit in there. I mean, it's close, but so I don't know. I guess that's some kind of metric deal going on there. I mean, you can still put a socket. You know, I put a wrench on it, no big deal. But ain't that weird? All right. See you later.